Think every circular saw delivers the same results? Think again. The wrong one can leave rough cuts, waste materials, and slow every project down. In this video, we're revealing the best circular saws that stand out for power, precision, durability, and overall value. Watch until the end to find the one that fits your needs. Then check the links in the description below for more details. Let's get started. Number 1. DEWALT 20-volt Circular Saw. The DEWALT 20-volt Circular Saw is a dependable cordless tool designed for users who want portability without sacrificing performance. Powered by a high-efficiency 20V motor delivering up to 1,500 revolutions per minute, this saw handles demanding cuts with surprising ease, making it suitable for framing, decking, and general woodworking tasks. One of its standout features is the high-strength magnesium shoe, which keeps the saw lightweight while maintaining long-term cutting accuracy, even in tough job site conditions. This balance between durability and weight makes it comfortable for extended use. User control is another area where this saw shines. The optimized rubber overmolded grip provides excellent comfort and stability, reducing hand fatigue and improving precision during detailed cuts. The 0 to 50 degrees bevel capacity adds versatility, allowing users to perform aggressive bevel cuts for a wide range of applications. Whether you are cutting dimensional lumber or sheet goods, the saw maintains consistent performance. Number 2. DEWALT MAX Circular Saw. The DEWALT MAX Circular Saw stands out as one of the most powerful cordless circular saws in its class, built for users who regularly tackle tough cutting applications. Featuring a brushless motor that delivers up to 1,700 MWO and 5,500 revolutions per minute no-load speed, this saw offers impressive cutting strength and efficiency. Its ability to deliver up to 368 cuts per charge makes it an excellent option for professionals who need extended runtime without frequent battery changes. Versatility is a key advantage of this model. With a maximum cutting depth of 2 9/16 inches at 90 degrees and 2 inches at 45 degrees, the saw can easily handle thick lumber, plywood, and a wide variety of construction materials. This makes it suitable for framing, remodeling, and outdoor projects where accuracy and depth matter. The saw maintains smooth performance even under heavy load, thanks to its advanced motor design. Safety and control are also well addressed. The integrated electric brake quickly stops the blade after the trigger is released, helping to prevent overcutting and improving overall precision. Number 3. DOVAMAN 10-inch Circular Saw. The DOVAMAN 10-inch Circular Saw is a versatile and powerful cutting tool designed for users who need precision across multiple materials. Equipped with a strong 15-amp pure copper motor, this saw delivers efficient performance while maintaining durability for both professional and DIY projects. Its dual-speed functionality, offering 5,000 revolutions per minute and 3,200 revolutions per minute settings, allows users to switch between fast wood cutting and controlled cutting for PVC and soft metals. One of the most notable features of this saw is its extended cutting capacity. The 13-inch sliding rail combined with extendable side tables provides a wide cutting range of up to 4 by 13 inches. This makes it well suited for larger workpieces and complex projects that require stability and support. Number 4. Makita 5007F Circular Saw. The Makita 5007F Circular Saw is a well-known workhorse favored by professionals for its consistent power and reliable design. Driven by a robust 15-amp motor producing 5,800 revolutions per minute, this saw delivers strong, smooth cutting performance that easily handles demanding job site tasks. Its large cutting capacity, 2 3/8 inches at 90 degrees and 1 3/4 inches at 45 degrees, allows users to cut thick lumber with confidence. One of the key advantages of the Makita 5007F is its thoughtful design focused on accuracy and ease of use. The lower guard design improves performance during bevel and narrow cuts, reducing binding and improving workflow. 2 built-in LED lights illuminate the cutting line, making it easier to maintain precision even in low-light conditions. This feature is particularly useful for indoor remodeling or early morning job site work. Number 5. SKILSAW SBT77W 01 Circular Saw. The SKILSAW SBT77W 01 Circular Saw is engineered with durability and efficiency in mind, making it a popular choice for demanding construction environments. At the heart of the saw is SKILSAW's dual-field motor, which is specifically designed to improve cooling and extend the overall life of the tool. This motor design ensures consistent power output even during heavy, continuous use. Despite its rugged build, the saw remains relatively lightweight at 14.2 pounds without the blade, cord, and wrench. This reduced weight helps minimize user fatigue, especially during overhead or extended cutting tasks. The cut-ready depth of cut system allows for quick and accurate depth adjustments, saving time and improving workflow on busy job sites. The saw offers a 51 degrees bevel capacity, providing the flexibility needed to complete a wide range of angled cuts. I share helpful videos for you every day. So, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications. You'll find all product links and updated prices in the description below. If you have any questions, feel free to comment. I'm ready to reply. We've done our personal research to save you both time and money. Our top 5 list is carefully made based on ratings, reviews, quality, and durability. So, you can confidently choose the best product.